Good morning everybody. Today I want to presentation my project about review tenses. But before it, I want introduce myself. My name is Linty Riolina Sitohang, class ME 2A. Student ID number 20051020015. Prodi Manajemen Informatik and majors Teknik Komputer and Informatik. The honorable lecture and beloved my friends. Okay, I will start my presentation about tenses. The first, what is it? Definition of tenses. Definition of tenses is a form of verb in English to indicate the time or present, future, or past, an action or event occurs. Tenses adalah bentuk kata kerja dalam bahasa Inggris untuk menunjukkan waktu, baik itu waktu sekarang, atau masa depan, atau masa lalu, terjadinya suatu perbuatan atau peristiwa. Present tense. Simple present tense is used to tell the present time is a simple form. Simple present tense digunakan untuk menceritakan waktu sekarang dalam bentuk sederhana. The formula is subject plus verb 1 or is plus object or complement. 2. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used for actions that are in progress now. Even at the time be spoken in action, there are ongoing only for a short period of time. Simple present tense digunakan untuk tindakan yang sedang berlangsung sekarang. Kejadian ini bisa di waktu sedang berbicara, dan tindakan yang berlangsung hanya untuk jangka waktu yang singkat. The formula is subject plus to be or is plus verb ing plus object or complement. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense use of simple action that is still ongoing or has just stopped but has an effect today. Present perfect tense digunakan untuk suatu tindakan yang sederhana yang masih berlangsung atau yang baru saja berhenti, tetapi masih memiliki pengaruh hingga masa kini. The formula is subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense used to describe event that started in the past and have just finished. Present perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menceritakan kejadian yang dimulai di masa lalu dan baru saja selesai. The formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 1 ing plus object plus complement. Past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense used to explain events that have occurred at a specific time in the past. Event can be short or long. Simple past tense digunakan untuk mengungkapkan kejadian yang terjadi pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Kejadian bisa pendek atau panjang. The formula is subject plus verb 2 plus object or complement. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense used to refer action in the past that are ongoing. Action can be sometimes be interpreted by something. Past continuous tense digunakan untuk mengungkapkan tindakan di masa lalu yang sedang berlangsung. Tindakan kadang dapat juga disela oleh sesuatu. The formula is subject plus to be or was or were plus verb ing plus object or complement. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense used to denote an action in the past in relation to another previous action in the past. Past perfect tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu tindakan di masa lalu berkaitan dengan tindakan lain sebelum di masa lalu. The formula is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense used to explain an action that start in the past and the last up to another action that is in the past. Past perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk mengungkapkan suatu tindakan yang dimulai di masa lalu dan berlangsung sampai tindakan lain yang ada di masa lalu. The formula is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Simple future tense. Simple future tense used to explain an event in the future. Simple future tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian di masa yang akan datang. The formula is subject plus shall or will plus both one plus object or complement. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense used to state an event or a condition they will definitively occur the near future and both in the future. Future continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian atau kondisi yang pasti akan terjadi dalam waktu dekat dan kedua-duanya sama-sama terjadi pada masa depan. The formula is subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb ing plus object or complement. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense to declare an event that has been complicated in the future. Future perfect tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian yang sudah selesai pada masa mendatang. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense to show a future event that takes place within a certain range. Future perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu peristiwa di masa depan yang berlangsung dalam rentang waktu tertentu. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Simple past future tense. Simple past future tense use various plans are made in the past use an adjustment to the future. The formula is subject plus shall or would plus verb 1 plus object or complement. Past future continuous tense. Past future continuous tense is used to express an imaginary condition or action in progress. Past future continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kondisi atau aksi imajiner yang telah berlangsung. The formula is subject plus shall or would plus be plus verb 1 plus object or complement. Past future perfect tense. Past future perfect tense is a tenses with a function to express an event in the past. Past future perfect tense merupakan tenses dengan fungsi untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian di masa lampau. The formula subject plus would or shall plus have plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Past future perfect continuous tense. Past future perfect continuous tense to state an imaginary activity or planning in the past, but is also happening at the time. Past future perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah aktivitas imajiner atau perencanaan pada masa lampau. Akan tetapi, hal tersebut juga sedang terjadi pada waktu tersebut. The formula subject plus would or shall plus have plus been present plus present participle plus object or complement. Simple present tense. Example: 1. Lenti writes a book with best friend every day. 2. Lenti goes to campus usually. 3. Lenti gets up at 5 o'clock every day. Present continuous tense. Example 1. Lenti is building a flower pot now. 2. Lenti is building house in America today. 3. Lenti is book and the moment. Present perfect tense. Example 1. Lenti has called your mother now. 2. Lenti has checked roster just now. 3. Lenti has cleaned your school now. Present perfect continuous tense. Example 1. Lenti has been building house the whole day. 2. Lenti has been casting a rock to take the lake the whole day. 3. Lenti has been choosing shoes in the mall the whole day. Simple past tense. Example 1. Lenti drew a picture yesterday. 2. Lenti drove a car the day before yesterday. 3. Lenti forsook the English for lads. Past continuous tense. Example 1. Lenti was greeting good fellow when her study hard. 2. Lenti was holding book day live in the school. 3. Lenti was lending book English. Past perfect tense. Example 1. Lenti had overseen the student. 2. Lenti had overthrown her. 3. Lenti had paid your debt. Past perfect continuous tense. Example is 1. Lenti had been reading webtoon after finish. 2. Lenti had been speaking English. 3. Lenti had been sending your letter. Simple future tense. Example is 1. Lenti will speak English tomorrow. 2. Lenti will spirit material in Sipadi next week. 3. Lenti will state your poster next year. Future continuous tense example is 1. Lenti will be take her book next month. 2. Lenti will be upload the role campus tomorrow. 3. Lenti will be wet plan the plan next year. Future continuous tense example is 1. Lenti will have told the information in the wall magazine. 2. Lenti will be trodden even higher value. 3. Lenti will have trust the clothes in the wardrobe. Future perfect continuous tense example is 1. Lenti will have been teaching English material. 2. Lenti will have been taking your book. 3. Lenti will have been accepting your job. Simple future past tense example 1. Lenti will speak German last week. 2. Lenti will wear new laptop last month. 3. Lenti will rinse the clothes dry last year. Future past continuous tense example is 1. Lenti will be undertaking the role campus yesterday. 2. Lenti will be taking your sauce yesterday. 3. Lenti will be steering the book yesterday. Future past perfect tense example 1. Lenti will have received English material 2 months ago. 2. Lenti would have remains material electronic 2 years ago. 3. Lenti will have reported your poster last week. Future past perfect continuous tense example is 1. Lenti would have been speaking English last week. 2. Lenti would have been sweeping the yard 2 years ago. 3. Lenti would have been telling mathematics subject matter yesterday. Adverb of time tenses is 1. Simple present tense. The adverb of time is 1. Every, 2. Once, 3. Twice, 4. Always, 4. Usually. Adverb of time present continuous tense is 1. Now, 2. Today, 3. This, 4. At the present, 5. At the moment. Adverb of time present perfect tense is 1 ever, 2 just now, 3 never, 4 for, 5 signs, 6 now. Present perfect continuous tense. Adverb of time is 4 signs all the whole day. Adverb of time simple past tense is yesterday, last year, last month, last week, ago, the day before yesterday. Past continuous tense adverb of time is when, while, as, whereas. Adverb of time past perfect tense is when, before, after, until. Adverb of time past perfect continuous tense is when, while, as, for. Adverb of time simple future tense is next, tomorrow, if, when or while, until. Adverb of time future continuous tense is next, tomorrow, and at this, too. Adverb of time future perfect tense is before, after, by, this. Adverb of time future perfect continuous tense is since, by, day and of, by, next, for. Adverb of time past future tense is before, last, if, soon. Adverb of time past future continuous tense is last, yesterday, at, to. Adverb of time past future perfect tense is last, by, ago, before. Adverb of time past future perfect continuous tense is last, by, for, ago. Okay, thank you. That is all material about review tenses. I say thank you to lecture and blog my friends.